Thieves are now stealing cars via a headlight can injection. A new complicated way to steal a vehicle. Just stop stealing the vehicle. Stop stealing. Stop it to steal. Stop it to steal.
But with headlight. Yeah, that's scary.
Car thieves have come up with yet another way to steal your car. This one's rather creative, referred to as headlight hacking. But as Dr. Ken Tyndall of Canis Automotive Labs describes in his extensive and technical blog post, it's a bit more complicated than that. The method of the theft begins at your car's headlight module, but the only reason thieves have chosen this point of entry is because it offers them the easiest way to get hooked into the vehicle's CAN bus system. The CAN bus system of the vehicle is a method by which the numerous ECUs throughout a modern vehicle could communicate with each other. Thieves are using this central nervous system to their advantage by executing their attack, referred to as CAN injection. So there's a capability then of integrating with transmitting and receiving data, and therefore reprogramming and blah, blah, blah. I'm driving your Toyota RAV4. The vehicle used as an example is a current generation RAV4, but it's vital to note that the vulnerability is not specific to any particular OEM or model. It's an industry-wide problem at the moment. Thieves are pulling bumpers and trim pieces away from vehicles, which allows them to access the CAN bus near the headlight connector. Much of a vehicle's CAN bus systems will be found hidden deep inside of a car. But since modern headlights are so smart these days, they require their own ECUs. Boom. Into the electrical system. Booyah. A simple play button on a fake JBL speaker injection tool is programmed to instruct the door ECU to unlock the doors as though you have the actual key to the car in your hand. You turn the vehicle on in a similar fashion, and a thief can simply drive away with your car without ever coming into contact with the vehicle's actual key fob. Yeah, increasingly, they don't even need the key fob. They don't need to relay the signal from the key fob. They just need to plug in somewhere. Detach your horn beforehand, maybe. I'm such an expert in this at this point. That's creepy. Unfortunate. But I'm with you, random username. Sick and tired of people stealing cars. I'm also sick and tired of it. Yeah. There's just better things to do. I gotta believe. I gotta believe. Like, you could go on Twitter and yell at people, you know? Or you could go on Twitter, as Elon says, and have a bunch of unregrettable hours. Good luck with that.
Yeah.
Unregrettable hours are so hard to come by in the form of entertainment.
And imagine if it happens every day.
What?
Regrettable hours.
It does happen every day.
It does, yeah.
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 So,
yeah.
But, like, don't you feel like actual experiences in life, relationships, things like this, are far more often the ones that are not regrettable? They're not the things that you regret. Sure. And then so much more often, entertainment and all these other things competing for your attention that work and get your attention, they become the regrettable ones. It's so rare to have a truly unregrettable entertainment experience. Extremely rare. And whether you don't even want to call it entertainment, because entertainment in and of itself often feels regrettable. It's like, feels like you have to be learning or retaining something. And then you're like, you know what? I don't really regret that because that feels useful to me. Like, usefulness and regret, there seems to be some sort of correlation there, or lack of regret. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.